guess we take the hard one up first. All right, just stop, and then we'll set down one upstairs. All right, ready? No? Oh, I'm about to get under it. Ready?
It's not the straps that people use, but maybe if we got straps underneath it.
Maybe we'll get some bloody strap. Try one tonight?
Huh?
I'll try one time.
Yeah.
The other one will be a lot easier.
Yeah.
Alright.
What am I doing?
Whatever you doing, don't look like that.
I'm like, what am I doing? Because this does not feel like I can leverage anything. Well, I cannot stand where you think I can stand.
Open the door.
That's just a smarter way for us to move it.
So the first plan failed, as you can see. Washing machine is still in the same location where we left it. So we're about to try idea number 2. About to go get some moving straps from Harbor Freight and see if that can solve the solution. We made it to the freight of Harbor Tools. Yes, sir. We're coming in here for one thing and one thing only. Are you not right here? Axle straps. They said aisle 9. Hit it right here. Bingo! How do you work? I never really used these before. And then you put your arms in there like this? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. That's it. That's easy.
Yeah.
Okay. Woo!
When you make sounds like that, it doesn't sound very good.
All right. Dang.
Over the top?
Yeah. All right. But let yours. All right. Maybe we should have.
That's why I was saying, like, they should be straight on.
No, in the directions it says to cross them. It said to cross them in the directions.
Where?
I seen. All right, come on. Damn, give me some slack.
I'm holding them, literally holding them.
Yeah, you about to pull them out of me. Yeah.
You ready?
Yes, sir. All right. Let's go. All right, you got it?
Yeah.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go. God. Oh, hold on. All right, ready? Go. All right. What?
It was heavy.
I know it is.
Lift it.
I need to be on this side. Bring it back. Yeah. All right, you ready? All right. gotta lift. That's what I'm saying. Come on. What? Hold on. What's the problem?
I can't lift.
Let me go that way. Can you lift up?